This video will help ITI creator to understand how to do their respective roles in the examination module. CBT eligibility. To pay the CBT fee as an ITI NSTI creator, there are two ways. A. Individual payment through payment gateway. 2. Bulk payment through Challan. To pay for an individual candidate, click the Action button, select Pay Now, and follow the payment gateway steps. Please note, ITI user must ensure to select the right set of trainees against which CBT bulk online payment transaction is being submitted on the system. Please note, in case of failed payments, please wait for 2 hours and check the status. If it shows as failed, then try to pay again. Once the payment is done for a particular candidate, it will reflect on their status as online. To do bulk CBT payment through Challan, click on the button in the left menu. Please note, before starting the process, make sure that you have a scanned copy of the offline Challan payment receipt ready. Click on the Download Offline Template button in the Excel sheet. Enter the details of the students for whom you want to make payments. Then click on Bulk Update. Now, in this screen, first enter the Challan number. Then upload the Excel sheet under the Upload Offline Payment file. Please ensure that the file is in the required format and of the required size. Please note, the system will read through the sheet and display the exact amount of payment to be done. The Challan should be of the same amount. In case of mismatch, please check the sheet again and re-upload. Next, click on the Upload Offline Document Proof and upload the scanned copy of the Challan. Please note, the details need to be entered in the same format of the template, as any discrepancy will not allow the user to upload the template sheet. Once done, click on Submit, and the status for the respective trainees will be updated by the system. The CBT fee status of trainees who have paid through payment gateway will be shown as online, and for those who have paid through the bulk payment will be shown as offline. Apart from this, the user will have view access to the eligible list of candidates. This screen will be view only the creators, allowing them to see the list of candidates in their respective. Furthermore, users can download the CBT hall ticket, mark sheet, and certificate practical hall ticket from the displayed modules.